Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and I hope you enjoyed the holidays and that you have a great new year. One of the events I'm looking forward to in 2015 is the World Police and Fire Games. These games are the largest international athletic competition after the Summer Olympics. They will be hosted by Fairfax County this summer from June the 26th through July 6th. Sporting events held throughout Fairfax County and the region are anticipated to attract more than 12,000 public safety athletes from around the world. Participants will represent over 70 countries and compete in over 60 different sporting events. 2 years ago, these games were held in Belfast, Ireland. And this year, Fairfax County has the distinct privilege of showcasing our impressive public safety capabilities and welcoming athletes and tens of thousands of tourists from around the globe. On this Tuesday's board agenda, our board will hold a public hearing to lease space at the Government Center to the nonprofit Fairfax 2015, the team in charge of fundraising and organizing this large-scale event. To learn more about Fairfax 2015, such as how to participate as a volunteer or how to donate as an individual or a corporate sponsor, please visit fairfax2015.com. On Tuesday, we will also be presenting a certificate to recognize the Arts Council of Fairfax County for receiving a Global Arts Initiative grant from the National Endowment for the Arts. The Arts Council does great work in our community, and we are very proud of their success. Also on Tuesday, I will move to designate this January as Human Trafficking Awareness Month in Fairfax County. Human trafficking is when an individual is brought to another country and kept against his or her will as a servant or for illegal purposes. This is often framed as an international third world issue. In reality, human trafficking can and does happen anywhere, even in the United States and even in Fairfax County. It is important to be vigilant to situations that may involve victims of human trafficking in our local communities. More public hearings in the afternoon will cover residential parking issues in Drainsville, Providence, and Sully districts, home child care facilities, and land use cases. For more details and to look through the full agenda, visit the Board of Supervisors webpage at fairfaxcounty.gov. Once again, Happy New Year, and thanks for your interest in Fairfax County government.